Right now, Hurricane Maria is roaring towards Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands as a potentially catastrophic Category 5 storm.
The National Hurricane Center says Maria could cause life-threatening flash floods and mudslides. Meredith Sensulo is in the Tampa News Center with the grave message the Puerto Rican governor has this morning. Meredith.
Well, it is possible Hurricane Maria could leave parts of the U.S. territories uninhabitable for weeks or even months. Right now, the storm has sustained winds of 160 miles per hour. Early this morning, Maria battered the French Caribbean island of Guadeloupe after leaving a trail of destruction on the island of Dominica and blowing through Martinique on Monday. The storm weakened briefly overnight to a Cat 4, but quickly regained strength. The governor of Puerto Rico says his biggest worry is complacency. He's urging those who live along the coast or in inadequate housing to take this seriously, because all indications are that this will be a devastating and catastrophic storm.
This is going to be a very dangerous time, and what we want to make sure right now is recognize that infrastructure is going to be broken, but we need to focus on saving lives.
Now, with hurricane-force winds likely in Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands for as long as 24 hours, Maria is shaping up to be even more destructive than Hurricane Irma. Live in the Tampa News Center, I'm Meredith Sensulo.
It's unfortunately looking like impacts in Puerto Rico are unavoidable at this point as we continue to track Hurricane Maria in the northeastern part of the Caribbean now. Moved over the island of Dominica last night. There is the storm just to the south and east of Puerto Rico. Here is San Juan right here. It's moving to the west-northwest at about 10 miles per hour. Can get zoomed in even tighter and show you that well-defined eye. It's a compact storm with hurricane-force winds extending only about 35 miles from that center of circulation. The issue is the center is heading right for the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico as what looks to be a high-end Category 4 storm with winds of around 155 miles per hour. That'll be during the first part of the day tomorrow, moving farther off to the north and west from there, just to the north of the Dominican, the center of the storm at least. Then the long-term forecast going here does curve farther on off to the north, a Category 2 storm by the second half of the weekend, several hundred miles to the east of the Florida Peninsula. So some good news there. And very good confidence in this forecast because of the tight grouping of the forecast models here. Remember several days out when we were showing you Irma, the forecast models were a little bit unsure. There was a large spread at day 5 as far as where the storm was going. Weakness in the Atlantic high is going to allow this storm to turn off to the north, and you can see that basically all the forecast models agree with that at this point. So some good news for the Florida Peninsula, at least, as we continue to recover from Irma.